Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset tools layout in GIMP. So the solution is really simple. First we need to go to the left upper corner and go to edit, and then we need to open here something like preferences. After that, this window will be successfully displayed here. So now we are interested in to go to interface, and here you need to open tab window management. Here we have special option that will let you to reset your layout. We need to click on this one button, reset set window position to default values, and you can see here this one information. Your window setup will be reset to default values the next time you start GIMP. So you need to click OK button, and after that you will need to restart your GIMP. But before you will do it, I recommend you to click reset button. It will let you to reset all preferences to default values. It may let you to fix another problems if you have them. So I recommend you to click here reset, but remember about that all settings will be changed to default. So I click here reset, and then I click OK button, and you may see this one information. You will have to restart GIMP for the following change to take effect. Import raw plugin. I click OK button, and I need to close GIMP and open it again. So I do it now. So how you see, software has been restarted and tools layout is reset to default. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.